5 Best Battery for Ram 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Battery Sensor. Keep your Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram running smoothly with our premium battery current sensor. This isn't just a replacement part. It's a vital guardian for your vehicle's power system, designed to meet or exceed OEM standards. Our precision-engineered sensor precisely monitors battery status, catching critical issues like overcharging, overdischarging, or short circuits before they cause costly damage. This intelligent protection extends your battery's life and safeguards surrounding equipment, ensuring reliable performance every time. Enjoy perfect compatibility for a wide range of popular models from 2011 to 2018. Built with high-quality materials for lasting accuracy and backed by a 1-year warranty, you can drive with absolute confidence. Invest in true peace of mind today. Number 4. 1997 to 2002 Dodge Ram Battery Hold-Down Kit. Is your 1997 to 2002 Dodge Ram battery insecure? Our battery hold-down kit ensures reliable power and peace of mind. Specifically for Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, it features a premium iron crossbar with a heavy-duty, corrosion-resistant rubber coating for lasting performance and great looks. Robust 304 stainless steel L-bolts and flange nuts provide ultimate rust protection and a rock-solid grip, keeping your power source firmly in place. This kit is a perfect, direct replacement for OEM part 55275220. Verify fitment with your vehicle and compare part pictures for a perfect match. Number 3. Ram Truck Battery Circuit Fuse, 2013 to 2022. Keep your Ram truck's vital electrical system operating flawlessly with our premium battery circuit fuse. Precision engineered to perfectly replace OEM numbers like 956 to 356, 68164-797AA, and 68250-245AA. This fuse ensures guaranteed compatibility and a seamless fit for a wide range of 2013 to 2022 Ram 1500, 2500, 3500, 4000, 4500, and 5500 models. You'll receive the same high level of performance and safety as your original part, extending your vehicle's lifespan. More than just a replacement, it actively safeguards your battery circuit from damaging electrical overloads, ensuring stable, reliable power even under tough conditions. Best of all, its exact fit design makes installation incredibly fast and easy. No special tools or professional knowledge required. Protect your investment the smart, simple way. Number 2. Battery Hold-Down Bracket for Jeep Dodge Chrysler. Ensure your vehicle's power source remains steadfast with our premium battery hold-down bracket. Designed to eliminate dangerous battery shifts, this bracket provides unparalleled stability, protecting your battery and vehicle's electrical system, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, this essential component promises a long lifespan and unwavering performance. It's a direct, reliable fit for a wide range of models, including Jeep Wrangler, Gladiator, Cherokee, Dodge Dart, Ram 1500 to 3500, and Chrysler Pacifica vehicles across many years. Directly replacing OEM part numbers like 680825388AB, this bracket delivers factory-level compatibility and peace of mind. Invest in superior security and drive with confidence, knowing your battery is always firmly in place. Number 1. Bosch S6-95, our high-performance starter battery. Ever experienced that heart-sinking moment when your car struggles to start? Say goodbye to those worries with the Bosch S6-95, our high-performance starter battery. As an expert, I can tell you this isn't just any battery. It's engineered excellence from Bosch, designed to deliver exceptional starting power consistently. The S6-95R ensures instant, reliable ignitions, whether you're facing a frosty winter morning or a scorching summer afternoon. Built to meet the demanding needs of modern vehicles, it provides superior durability and performance you can trust, journey after journey. Invest in the peace of mind that only genuine Bosch quality offers. Upgrade to the S6-95R and experience worry-free driving every single time. So, that sums up my 5 best battery for Ram 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great